Namaskara. I'm Sarang Mane. I'm the founder and director of Casper Dronotics. I'll keep this short and sweet, okay? The news about my company and Pratap's company settlement has circulated all over Karnataka right now. All the media and all the people have came up to support us. I really want to thank all of you first. Yesterday night we had a meeting conclusion from both the parties' directors, the board of directors. We both sat, we went through all of the conversations everyone had with everyone, and we knew that what miscommunication happened and where, and we want to clear all of this miscommunication after the Pratap will come out of Bigg Boss, since all of this started in the absence of Mr. Pratap. All of this confusion will be cleared. This is what the board of directors from both of the company has said. All of this confusion will be cleared before 1st of Feb. We also want to clear the confusion of the amount that is being pending. Although that the higher amount that you are seeing online, that is including all the losses. Since Pratap is doing very good in Bigg Boss, and also he has a lot of orders pending that he has spoke to me, and also I guess on national television. I don't know about that. I think our amount won't be a big deal for Pratap to complete it. I also want to address the confusion between public that whoever, like, Pratap has got a chance from Krishna that you should prove yourself again. He is doing 110% whatever he can. He is putting all his efforts in Bigg Boss. All of this confusion started because when I had a call with someone, the person told me that if you don't complain right now, what will happen is whatever amount that Pratap is getting, he will first prioritize giving it to the people who has given the complaint, and later on you will get or not get the amount. Also, when I wanted to clear all of these things, the directors were unavailable as they were unreachable at that moment. This miscommunication increased a lot. Later on, I was also informed that these people are doing bad mouthing and saying that I am the actual fraud against Pratap. That, and this actually triggered me a lot. It was like, okay, whosoever person I've talked to, we had this discussion, and all of the discussion is online. What you are seeing in YouTube and all of that. Okay. Lastly, I just want to conclude that I have been in Pratap's life since more than a year now. I've seen days where he has struggled a lot. I've seen days where he has put in his 1000% efforts. I've been there helping him demonstrate for farmers and everything. After all of this, I was silent till date because I still trust Pratap that he will come out. All of these allegations and everything that have been put on Pratap are not directly from me. I've never used the word fraud or he's cheated on me or my company. I've never used that ever in any voice recording. You hear it between all the people that you can find. I've never used that. I've never filed any type of complaint. I just hope and I know that there is a huge chance of Pratap winning. I just want people to not lose the trust. You have seen this guy struggling. You have seen this guy at his best heart. You have seen this guy showing his true colors on the national television. That he's purely a good-hearted person. You have seen him. Just trust what you are seeing on television. Don't trust me also. I'm no one for you. I'm no one for you. I'm an outsider. He's not relevant to you. The only person you should care about is Pratap, and that is what you should care about. And also I want to apologize to any other person who has been affected through my statements or anything. We'll clear all of this after Pratap comes out, hopefully winning. Thank you. Namaskar.
ಖಂಡಿತ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇವರೇ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಾರಂಗ್ ಅವರೇ ಇವಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅರುಣ್ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಅವರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳೋದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಜನತೆ ಹತ್ರ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಫೈನಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಇಫ್ ಅವನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಅವ್ನ ಹೋಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಸರಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯೋ ವಿಶ್. ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವ್ನು ಸರಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಹೋಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪರವಾಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ನಿನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸಾರಂಗಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾರಂಗ್ ಏನು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ನಾನೇನು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಓಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿನೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಲುಪಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸಾರಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಈಸ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಅವರು ಈಚೆ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.